A ruling by a federal appeals court could affect thousands of residents trying to rebuild. The three-judge panel ruled against Katrina victims, who argued their policies should cover flood damage from levee breaches. The ruling says the policies clearly excluded such damage. But this is not the last word. There is also a state case pending. We're now joined live at noon by local attorney John Houghtaling. So, Mr. Houghtaling, you are representing plaintiffs in the state case. Where is your case now?
Well, our case now is before the state Fourth Circuit, which is Louisiana, the first time in a Louisiana appellate court will be able to hear the issue. And we're going to be arguing on the behalf of homeowners, Louisiana homeowners, that this panel of federal judges guessed wrong on what Louisiana law is on this issue.
How many people are you representing?
Currently, I'm representing 400 Louisiana property owners, but this case involves one particular person. But this ruling will be the first time that the appellate court will be able to speak to this particular issue. And this is the time when the Louisiana judges will be the first time they'll get to decide the issue, and it may set precedent for the other cases.
So what is your argument? Why do you believe that policies should cover flood damage from the breaches?
It goes back to over 109 years of case law, which basically say that when an exclusion in a policy is ambiguous, that you have to find, the court must find in favor of the person that thought they were insured. In this case, the property owner. The policies, all of the policies that are written in Louisiana, exclude flood as they define it, and they define flood as either a natural occurring event like rain or like a tidal surge. And in neither case did this happen in Louisiana. We had a levee break, which was entirely different.
So let's say that the ruling goes your way. What type of effect would this have on Louisiana residents trying to rebuild right now?
Well, hopefully it'll give them the funds to be able to do that. You know, literally there's billions of dollars at stake on this particular question, and but we feel confident that the Louisiana courts will recognize this long-standing precedent and not give the insurance companies the windfall that they hopefully are looking to receive on it.
I guess the other thing, too, let's say that the ruling does go your way. What happens with insurance companies? Could we see more of them moving out?
I don't think you're going to find insurance companies moving out. In 2006, it's been widely reported that after paying damages as a result of Hurricane Katrina, the insurance casualty companies netted $60 billion. Now, that was a 30-year record profit for the insurance industry, and it was a 30-year disparity between payouts and between policy payments and the payouts that they receive. So they're making plenty of money. I think a lot of it is propaganda.
What happens next with your case?
Well, it's going to be heard. We're going to have oral argument on it before the Louisiana appellate court on September 12th. And the court will hopefully recognize this long-standing precedent and hopefully will clarify that the federal judges who were simply ruling what they thought Louisiana law was on this issue, and hopefully the Louisiana courts will correct them.
Local attorney John Houghtaling, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.